Hello everyone, welcome back to DAB Maths Class 8 series. Today we are continuing with chapter 3 exponents and radicals with a very beautiful thought. So our today thought is happiness is not in reaching destination but in enjoying the path you walk with courage and positivity. Now get your notebooks ready, stay focused and let's dive into today's question together. So this is here our question number 4. This is evaluate. This question have 4 parts here. This question is question number 4 of worksheet 2 chapter 3 class 8 DAB maths. So here our first part is 6 ka square plus 8 ka square and its exponent, whole exponent is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is the exponent of this 6 and this 8 also. So here our first part is 6 ka square plus 8 ka square raised to power 1 upon 2. Here I write the answer of this question. Firstly, in this question we have to solve the numbers within the bracket here 6 ka square plus 8 ka square. Then the next step we can solve here. In bracket here 6 ka square is equal to 36. 6 ka square means 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36 plus 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 64 raised to power 1 upon 2. Now we can add the numbers, both numbers that are in the bracket here. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 1 is the carry. 6 plus 1 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now it becomes 100 and the exponent of this is 1 upon 2. And 100 we can write 100 as 10 raised to power 2 and its exponent is 1 upon 2 and we can write it as 10 in bracket 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. This 2 cuts this 2 and 10 raised to power 1 is equal to 10. So here 10 is our answer of this question. Now move to our next part, that is equal to our second part, bracket 5 in bracket again 8 raised to power 1 upon 3 plus 27 raised to power 1 upon 3 and 3 is the exponent here and after bracket there is 1 upon 4 again the exponent here. I write here answer. Now bracket 5 I write 8 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 means 2 raised to power here 3 and its exponent is 1 upon 3 plus 27 I write as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 which is equal to 3 raised to power 3 and the exponent is 1 upon 3. After bracket this 3 again bracket I write the whole exponent that is 1 upon 4 is equal to, here I write 5, then I write here 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3, this 3 cuts this 3 plus 3 in bracket this 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3, this 3 cuts this 3 and after bracket this 3 I write here and 1 upon 4 is the whole exponent, is the exponent of whole number is equal to, I write here 5, this 2 raised to power 1 which is equal to 2 plus 3 raised to power 1 is equal to 3 and its exponent is this 3 and after 1 upon 4 is the whole exponent is equal to 5, then bracket 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 3, then whole exponent 1 upon 4. Here the power of this 5 is 1. 5 raised to power 1, then in bracket 5 raised to power 3. Here means when we remove bracket from here, I write here multiplication. And here we know that x raised to power a plus x raised to power b is equal to x raised to power a plus b. So from here, the base is same, x, 5, the base is same and the exponents are different. Here this is multiplication. X raised to power a multiplied by x raised to power b, then we can add them. Here which is equal to 5 raised to power this 1 here plus this 3 here. This becomes is equal to here this. This becomes is equal to this, and the exponent here, the whole is 1 upon 4. Now 5 raised to power 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and after bracket it is 1 upon 4 the exponent. Now we can solve this by 5 raised to power 4 multiply. I have removed bracket from here. I write 1 upon 4. This cut 4 cuts this 4 here. So 5 raised to power 1 is equal to 5. So here 5 is our answer of this question. Very simple question. Now let's move to our part number 3. Our third part is 17 का square minus 8 का square raised to power 1 upon 2. I write here answer. Now firstly we have to solve the given numbers in the bracket. So 17 multiplied by 17, 17 का square, 17 multiplied by 17 is equal to 289 minus 8 8s are 64, and its exponent is this 1 upon 2 is equal to 289 minus this 64, which is equal to 225 raised to power this exponent 1 upon 2, and 15, we know that 15 multiplied by 15 is equal to 225, outside its exponent 1 upon 2, then 15 raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2, this 2 cuts this 2, and 15 raised to power 1 is equal to, our answer is 15. So now let's move to our last part of this question, our fourth part. Our fourth part is 1 का cube plus 2 का cube plus 3 का cube, and the exponent is minus 5 raised to power 2. It is a negative exponent. I write here answer. Firstly, solve the given numbers in the bracket. 1 का cube is equal to 1 plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 3 to the 9 3 27 in the bracket, and this exponent is minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 27 plus 1 28, and 28 plus 8 is equal to 36 raised to power minus 5 upon 2, and we know the number 6 multiplied 6, which is equal to 36. So I write 36 as 6 का square, outside I write the exponent minus 5 upon 2, which is equal to 6 raised to power 2 multiplied by minus 5 upon 2. This 2 cuts this 2, and now we have 6 raised to power minus 5. Here we have the negative exponent. Now we can change the negative exponent into the positive exponent. Now I write this as 1 upon 6 raised to power 5, which is equal to 1 upon, here 6 raised to power 5 means we multiply 6 by 6 times. 6 multiplied by 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 6, which is equal to, or you can also do this multiplication in the rough work, then which is equal to 7,776. 1 upon 7,776. This is our answer of this question. Stay connected for more videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. That's all in today's video.